This is the 1948 Gaggia Gilda Espresso Machine. As you can see, warmed up hot, ready to go. Has quite the steam safety system that you see coming down the side. I'll go ahead and turn it off. There's different ways to use the machine. One is to carefully monitor the temperature until it reaches the ideal 94 degrees centigrade, and the other is to let it come to full steam and then have it cool off for the shot. Just like any other espresso machine, amazingly enough. 60 years old, hasn't changed much. Cylinder in the bottom, piston with seals, manual lever, safety system, thermostatic control system, portafilter, basket, but fancy. Part of the promotion, we think, of the Gaggia was the fanciness of it all. The bubble grips, the gleaming appearance of all of the polished aluminum, the promotional aspects of 1848, 1948, a century on this model, solid company. But at this point, it steamed off, as you saw, reading 100 degrees on the thermometer. And we just wait a little bit for the temperature to come down to pull the shot, just like anything else. The basket is quite small, but to tamp, you use the bottom of a flat coffee scoop. Fits perfectly, about 42 millimeters. This is the on-off switch here. Once again, a bit of safety buried in this cup. You can't actually turn it on. And safety over here with this automatic steam off system. The machine's quite simply built with two cast pieces, top and bottom, with a sleeve here that forms the kettle. They're compressed together with the nut on the top. And now my temperature is about down to, it's exactly at 100. Don't want the shot to be too hot. All of the parameters are just the same. Temperature, grind, to get cream coffee. This is kind of a nice feature that this swivels over here. Usually this would drip right into the tray, but kind of like to use it as a cup warmer. And I slowly wait for the temperature to drop down to that little red line for perfection. And we're just about there. I'll go ahead and just try that out. Lock in. Everything is kind of small down there, but engineered just right. We come up. At this point, the water is simply falling into the cylinder below the piston. You can hear it gurgling a little bit. There's a series of holes around the side of the cylinder. Yeah. And once we're sure that it's full, just like anything else, we apply pressure. We create, in 1948, the miracle of cafe crema, Gaggia Gilda style.